Hey guys, if you just started working at a nail salon in the US, especially if you're new here, this video is perfect for you. Today, I'll go over simple English words you'll use every day at work. Let's practice together so you can speak with confidence.
Rhinestones. Small, shiny decorative stones used to decorate nails. Fake nail. An artificial nail attached to make nails longer or more stylish. Liquid monomer. A liquid used with acrylic powder to create artificial nails. Top coat. The final layer of polish that protects nails and adds shine. Base coat. The first layer of polish that protects the nail and helps color last longer. Primer. A liquid that helps polish or acrylic stick better to the nail. Acetone. A liquid used to remove nail polish or artificial nails. Regular nail polish. Standard nail color that is easy to apply and remove. Nail drill. An electric tool used to file, shape, or remove nails. Nail drill bit. The replaceable tip used with a nail drill for different purposes. Sanitize. To clean something to remove dirt and light germs. Disinfect. To kill bacteria and germs to prevent infection. Broken nail. A nail that is cracked or split. Thin nail. A weak and fragile nail that breaks easily. Nail repair. The process of fixing a damaged nail. Cut down. To trim the nails shorter. Extend. To make nails longer using extensions or gel. Square shape. A nail shape with flat tips and sharp corners. Round shape. A nail shape with soft rounded edges. Almond shape. A nail shape that is slim with a softly pointed tip, like an almond. Stiletto shape. A nail shape that is very long and sharply pointed. Paraffin wax treatment. A spa treatment using warm paraffin wax to soften and moisturize hands or feet.
Just a few minutes a day can grow your vocabulary fast. Investing in English today is investing in your income and future opportunities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so I can stay motivated to share even more new words with you.